Cavort Company, located in Jiaxing City, China. We focus on exporting standard fasteners. The regular range of products are a series of screws, bolts, nuts, washers, anchors, riggings, and furniture fittings. We concern to provide special package service for customers, collecting multiple products for buyers, save costs for our clients. With more than 10 years of experience, we feel more confidence to guarantee you quality products, notional prices, timely delivery, and quick response. Warmly welcome you to contact us for further negotiation. Our workshop covers 3,000 square meters. There are together 60 sets of automatic machines. Monthly output more than 600 tons of different screws. Mainly, the workshop product screws include drywall screws, chipboard screws, truss head tapping, and drill screws, and so on. We cover a fast way for packing and transport for half the finished products. Employees are experienced with each process. Welcome to visit our workshop for more details.